Now what we are watching is the automatic tray loading and packing system. It consists of a sorting and conveying unit, a steering unit, a tail rack unit, a packing machine, a marking system. Sorts flexibly the materials by sorting unit. The automatic tray dispensing device arranges the trays of the products individually and cooperates with the servo sorting unit to arrange the products in order. The products are placed into the tray smoothly and non-damaged, and the packing machine and the deoxidizer are worked together. This system is ideal for packing various kind of material, such as mooncake, egg yolk cake, mung bean cake, other cake food, etc. Of course, this packing system can be customized based on your product specification. For more, subscribe to my YouTube channel.